I think in-house, clearly, it's a bit more of a, someone once said to me that, it's less of a career path, more of a career crazy paving. I think that's actually one of the reasons why in-house is particularly interesting. And one of the reasons I left law firm life was that I wanted to have a number of different career experiences and not necessarily know where the next opportunity is going to take me. So, in one go, you have both, the challenges and opportunities. There's risk there, but also, some reward. So, in terms of what that means for being an in-house lawyer and how you think about your career, my advice would be around just always sort of having your head up and not head down. Meaning, getting out there, talking to people, internally, regularly talking with your colleagues, your boss, other people in your network internally about, where's your career going, where could you be in 1, 2, 3 years' time, yeah? That might be in the legal team, that might be taking a step out of legal into a business role, yeah? And also, I think making sure you're actively following and engaging with what's going on in the legal market more generally. A lot of people, I think, say to progress as in-house lawyers, you often need to take a step out of the organization that you're in because maybe the opportunity to step up isn't quite available. It's not always the case. It clearly depends on the organization, but that can be true. So I think, again, come back to Crafty Counsel, one thing that I think we can help with is showcasing lots of different in-house lawyers and the sorts of things that they've been up to and how their careers have developed. Recently we had an interview with a general counsel who'd been general counsel for some household name media organizations, and he was able to reflect back on his career and the sort of decision making and what informed his decisions along the way. So I think for us that's quite an interesting opportunity, and I suppose that speaks a bit to the evolution of Crafty Counsel. So when we started back in October, so this isn't many moons ago, this is months, we're brand new. But in those very first videos that we put on the site, the focus was very much on sort of black letter law, technical legal developments delivered predominantly by law firms and barristers. That still is really important for us, and that's probably always going to be at our core. But increasingly, I think we're going to have quite a rich mix of content on the site, where we've got the sort of law firm, more sort of almost technical updates, perhaps sitting alongside interviews with general counsel, with junior in-house counsel, speaking to their experiences in the office, doing the job, but the career development, the personal development as well. And I think that's going to be really helpful for our viewers, because they've got access to the legal stuff, but also the whole panoply of sort of non-legal content that sits alongside it.